Hi everyone, bună tuturor and welcome back to my channel. There are some Romanian words which you already know without studying, and we are going to have a look at them in this video. If you find this content useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. In this way, I can continue publishing more videos. Let's start. Hai să începem. Right, so how do you say document in Romanian? I'm going to give you a moment. It's very, very similar to English. Document. Document. So as easy as that. Document. How about artist? Artist. Artist. You see, I told you that they're very, very similar. Perfect. 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 Alarm. Alarmă. Alarmă. Then we have animal, which in Romanian is animal. Animal. Address. Adresă. Adresă. Article. Articol. Articol. Then we have author, which in Romanian is autor. Autor. Champion. Campion. Campion. Collection. Colecție. Colecție. Confusion. Confuzie. Confuzie. Consequence. Consecință. Consecință. Coffee. Cafea. Cafea. Cinema. 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 Chocolate. Ciocolată. Ciocolată. Doctor. 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 Important. 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 Minute. Minut. Minut. Music. Muzică. Muzică. Official. Oficial. Oficial. Perfume. Parfum. Parfum. Passport is pașaport. Pașaport. Plastic. 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 Politician. 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 Problem. Problemă. Problemă. Professor. 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 Restaurant. 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 Student, student, student. Telephone, telephone, telephone. Theater, teatru, teatru. Then we have temperature, which in Romanian is temperatură, temperatură. Taxi, taxi, taxi. Time, timp, timp. Tourist, turist, turist. University, universitate, universitate. Visa, visa, visa. Video, video, video. Festival, festival, festival. Volume, volum, volum. Original, original, original. Important, important, important. Cultural, cultural, cultural. Important, important, important. Right, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'm pretty sure that you already knew all these words. Sometimes the pronunciation is slightly different, however, they are very, very similar. If you've enjoyed this video, once again, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for your support, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Pa, pa! Mulțumesc frumos!